Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage with settings from the left, so let's pick them. So we can open them, and here we have to slide a little bit to find press and hold shutter button option. When we pick it, we can decide between record video, burst shot and focus, so let's stay on burst shot and let's move back to camera. Now, when we tap on shutter button at the center a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. As you can see here we have the countdown, the maximum number at once is 20, and this is how burst shot works here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.